Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Facebook app and everything you need to know for Facebook app step by step. Now, let's see how to create a Facebook account on app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Tap on Create a Facebook account at the bottom of the page. Tap on Next button to begin creating a Facebook account. First of all, you decide to the name and surname you will use on Facebook. Then tap on Next button to continue. After that, you write your birthday date. Then tap on Next button again. Here you choose your gender from the options that appear in front of you. After that, you write your phone number to continue. Then tap on the Next button again. Here's the very important part. You decide your password for your Facebook account here. After that, your account is created. However, in order for your account to be approved, you need to write the confirmation code you received on your phone in the section that appears in front of you. Thus, your Facebook account creation process is completed.
After that, let's learn how to make a post to share on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Here you can see your Facebook homepage. To make a post for Facebook, tap on the What's on Your Mind section. By clicking on one of the options that appear, you can share a photo or video from your gallery, tag a friend, state a location, or take a photo with your phone's camera and share it. And you can write your any opinion or copied link by tapping on What's on Your Mind field. Tap on the option marked in red to decide who can see your post. Tap on Public if you want your post to be seen by everyone, or Friends if you want it to be seen by only your friends. Or if you don't want your post to be seen by some of your friends, tap on Friends Accept. To complete the sharing process, tap on Post button you see in the upper right.
And now, let's examine how to create a group on Facebook app.
First, go to the Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to the Group option from the drop-down list. To create a new group, go to the plus icon in the upper right. Then choose the one that says Create a Group from the 2 options that appear in front of you. As you can see, you can give a name to the group you want to create here. You can then choose whether the group should be public or private. Your group is now created. You can select the people you want to invite to your group from this list, or you can search and invite the person who is not on the list. Here you can select an informative cover photo related to your group's theme by clicking on the Upload Cover Photo option. Your group is now created. By clicking on the sharing options presented to you here, you can perform actions such as invitation, photo sharing, and post sharing, writing a description.
Now, we will learn how to change your name on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now go to the Settings option from the list that appears. Tap on Personal and Account Information option from the list under the Account title. To change your name on Facebook, tap on the one with Name among these options. Here you see 3 options as first name, middle name, and last name. You can tap on the part you want to change and write your new Facebook name. After typing your new Facebook name, tap on where it says Review Change. To complete the process, you need to write your current Facebook password on the blank and then tap on Save Changes button. Thus, the process of changing your Facebook name has been completed.
For the next step, let's look at how to add a phone number on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to the Settings option from the list. Tap on the Personal Information option. Then tap on the Contact Info option. Here you can see 2 options in this section. To add your phone number, tap on the Add Phone Number option. Type your phone number that you want to add in the blank marked with red. After that, tap on Continue button. Thus, the process of adding phone number will be completed.
Now let's see that how to add an email address on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to the Settings option from the list. Tap on the Personal Information option. Then tap on the Contact Info option. Here you can see 2 options in this section. To add your email address, tap on the Add Email Address option. Type your email address that you want to add in the blank marked with red. You need to write your current password. After that, tap on Continue button. Thus, the process of adding email address will be completed.
After that, let's see that how to change language on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Here, you're seeing the home screen where you can see different posts depending on your interests. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Scroll down to the list of options and go to the Settings and Privacy option from the drop-down list. Then press the Settings button from these different options that appear in front of you. There are many different settings listed here. What we need is the option we will use to change the language settings. To do this, click on the Language and Region option available under the Preference section. Then a list will appear in front of you with different settings related to Facebook language options. Since we want to change the Facebook language, we click on the first option, Language for button, titles, and other text from Facebook. Here, different language options will appear in front of you. You can choose which language you want to use the Facebook application for. I will choose the Turkish language as an example, and then I will show you how to make changes in Facebook. After clicking on the language option we want, we wait for a short time for the Facebook application to change the language. And the Facebook application is ready with the language option we want.
For the next step, we will learn how to change your birthday on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to your Profile option under the menu caption. Here you will see information about your profile. Go to the Edit Profile section. Then scroll down to the list of options on the page that appears. Then you will see Edit Your About Info option. Go to this option. You need to scroll down again. Then you will see the Basic Info part. Go to the Edit option. In this section, you can change your birthday, month, and year as you wish by going to the options where the number, month, and year are shown. After setting the day, month, and year as you want, you will need to confirm your age. Then go to the button written Save, and after a while, your birthday date will be set as you want.
Now, I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on the Settings button from these different options that appear. What we need is the option we will use to enable dark mode on Facebook app. To do this, click on the dark mode option available under the Preference section. As you can see, there are 2 options to activate or deactivate the dark mode. To activate the dark mode, you need to tap on the first option, which is On. Thus, the process of activating the dark mode is completed.
For the next step, let's learn that how to find out how much time you spend every day on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on Settings button from these different options that appear in front of you. After that, tap on Your Time on Facebook option available under the Preference section. To find out how much time you spend on Facebook, tap on See Time button in the See Your Time section. Here you can see how much time you spend on Facebook in a day or a week.
Okay, now let's see that how to hide your birthday on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to your profile option under the menu caption. Tap on the option of See About Your Info, then scroll down. Here you see the title of Basic Info. As you can see, under this title, there is gender and birthday information. Tap the Edit section. There are 3 options here about your birthday information, such as day, month, and year. You can choose who you want to see your birthday information by clicking on the marked sections. After you completed your adjustments for this section, you can save the changes you want to make by tapping on the Save button at the top right of the page.
After that, let's learn that how to permanently delete your Facebook account.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on the Settings button from these different options that appear. To continue temporarily deactivation process, tap on Account Ownership and Control button. Go to the Deactivation and Deletion section. Make sure Delete Account section is marked and tap on Continue to Account Deletion button. You can choose one of these reasons about why you are deleting your Facebook account. Then tap on Continue to Account Deletion button again. Before you delete your account, you can download your post archive by tapping on Download Info button. After that, tap on Delete Account section and deleting of Facebook account process will be completed.
Now let's see that how much temporarily deactivate Facebook account.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on the Settings button from these different options that appear. To continue temporarily deactivation process, tap on Account Ownership and Control button. Go to the Deactivation and Deletion section. Make sure Deactivate Account section is marked and tap on Continue to Account Deactivation button. To continue this process, you should write your password. After you wrote your password, tap on Continue button. Thus, the process of temporarily deactivating your Facebook account will be completed.
After that, let's learn that how to create an event on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to the Event option. Tap on the Create button. 2 options appear here. If you want to create your event as online, you need to tap on Online section. But if you want to create your event to get together with people at a specific location, you need to tap on In-Person section. The process for both are almost the same. I will continue with the In-Person section as an example. After you tap on In-Person section, you need to adjust your event name and date and location. Then tap on the Next button to continue. After that, you need to state your location for the event.
Then tap on the Next again. By tapping on Description part, you can state some information about your event for invitees. Here you can select a photo for your event by tapping on Add Photo button. In these three options highlighted in red, you can adjust your event description, location, and other event settings. After that, tap on the Create Event button. Your Facebook event creation process is completed.
For the last stage, let's learn how to turn off notifications for Facebook events.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with three lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on Settings button from these different options that appear in front of you. From the options listed under the Preferences title, tap on the Notifications option. Here you see the list of notifications sent from Facebook to your phone. Since we want to turn off the event notifications from Facebook, we tap on the Event option. If you deactivate the Allow Notification on Facebook option, the event notifications that is received from Facebook to your phone will be turned off.
These are the fundamental features that you need to know for Facebook app. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.